Welcome to Agoracom, the small cap epicenter on Agoracom TV, a daily fast-paced edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open. Sorry for the tongue-tied. So you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, June the 1st, fresh month. I've got four great press releases for you today from all over the place. Let's start you off first with big news out of Agoracom client Omagin, trades in the stock symbol OMAG in the U.S. This is the Agoracom client, and we don't report on Agoracom clients unless the news stands on 2 feet, but we do want to disclose that. They've announced that their subsidiary has signed a significant shareholder agreement with 3 other investors. Prior to the signing of the shareholder agreement, the subsidiary Omagin LLC was a wholly owned subsidiary of Omagin, the public company. The subsidiary was formed in the Sultanate of Oman to develop, own, and operate the Omagin project, which is estimated to cost approximately $2.5 million to develop and construct. New shareholders are, amongst other people, the Office of Royal Court Affairs, and you've also got CCC, a big consolidated contracting company is the name. You've got 2 of their companies also taking part in that. Altogether, the new shareholders are going to invest approximately $70 million into the subsidiary. Frank Drohan, president of the company, had this to say: the company's board of directors and the new shareholders in Omagin LLC look forward to the signing of the development agreement with the government of Oman and to beginning the development of the Omagin project. A little bit about that. It's approximately 245 acres of beachfront land facing the Gulf of Oman, just west of Oman's capital city of Muscat and near the Muscat International Airport. This is a really big deal. It's going to have tourism, retail, entertainment, hotels, and commercial components on top of 2,000 residences. They closed yesterday at $1.84, 52 grains, $2 on the high, 51 cents on the low. As of this morning, trading $2.87, up 56%. Not a lot of shares, 17,000 shares, but there's a lot on the bid, 50,000 on the bid at $2.80. So significant move out of Omagin here. Congratulations to Frank Drohan, Charlie Kaczynski, and their team at Omagin. They've been working hard at this for a number of years. I haven't found a more honest group of guys, especially on the OTC. Looking forward to watching that final development agreement get done with Oman and seeing the project move forward. A client of ours, but the numbers speak for themselves. Next up, Rio Novo Gold, TSXRN, announced that they completed the acquisition of 100% of the Tol de Fria gold project in central Colombia with a resource estimate of 952,000 ounces. There's an initial purchase price here of about $10 per ounce. That doubles Rio Novo's existing resource base to approximately 1.8 million ounces. Some of the highlights here: 947,000 ounces are inferred resources, high grades 2.38 grams per ton, and 5,000 in the indicated category 3.88. That's a small number. Some of the highlights also include the fact that it's located very close to great infrastructure, population, everything you need. Closed at $1.43 yesterday, $2.82 on the high, $1.10 on the 52-week low. To this morning, Rio Novo flat at $1.43. Some volume in there right now. Congratulations to David Beat and his team. True North Gems, TGX, have announced that they received a positive pre-feasibility study for their Apalutok ruby deposit, which they say is one of several ruby discoveries on their property. Here's some of the highlights of the pre-feasibility. Open pit mine with a 9-year mine life. Total probable reserves of 161,000 tons of ore, grading 350 grams per ton of clean corundum. I don't know enough about this stuff, so you're going to have to take a closer look. Processing 1,100 tons of ore in the year of construction, increasing to an average of 22,000 tons per year, to an average of 22,000 tons per year by year 3. That's a big move, and they've got a whole bunch of internal rate of returns, net present value numbers. Go take a look at those. Nicholas Houghton, President CEO, said, this demonstrates the project is economic with modest capital requirements in a secure and welcoming jurisdiction. Looks like they're talking about rough rubies and pink sapphires. The company says we have the opportunity to develop to open a new chapter in the colored gemstone and jewelry world. Closed at 11 cents yesterday, 19 on the 52-week high, 7 on the low this morning. True North down half a penny on 120,000 shares. Salazar Resources, TSX Venture SRL for our friends in Germany, CCG, They say they continue to cut high-grade gold with or high-grade polymetallic, which is like 7.95 meters, 10.3 grams ton of gold, 227.5 grams ton of silver, 6.31% zinc. This is a VMS project in Ecuador. Comes out a whole 113. And Mr. Salazar says the high gold and silver values are particularly impressive. Those are his words. Salazar this morning up 6.5% to 97 cents. Low volume, but the market does like the news. They're 52 grains, $1.60 on the high, 80 on the low. And that's a wrap. 4 great press releases for you. If you look for more great small cap resources news and you watch this on Globe Investor, then either look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on Globe Investor. We're on a couple pages there. Otherwise, if you're not on the front page of Agoracom, get there. Watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.